Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 13th day of February 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today. So we look for our strong candle indicator, which is our little triangle pointing down, and you can only find that at Samurai Day Trading. It says go ahead and take this trade short, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to look over here at PVI first. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 130 and 160 ticks in length. So we'll pair our ATM to that, and we'll go to for 20s, 50s, and 100s. Now, normally we'd pair it a little bit higher than that, but a certain uh, our favorite tube doesn't like when we go over $1,000 a trade. So we'll just keep it low and reasonable. So there we go. And we'll wait to start it up. We'll get that order ready. We really don't have to wait too long. Just go ahead and go under the current candle and we'll start it up. This is how it went down in the room today. Nice little retrace, loving that. Boom. First thing, all right, our target got hit straight away. So we de-risked the trade. So we'll just stop this real quick. All right, so our risk was going to go from way up here all the way down to here after our first target got hit. So we had 21 tick target. Our stop goes to minus 19. So if this comes back and takes us out, that'll be a break-even trade, all right? So we had two contracts on our first target, and we're at a break-even position right now. So all we're waiting to do is see if we can hit our runners. If this comes back and takes us out of break-even, then I have a decision to make. Do I want to reload and put another order on the chart? All right, we're just hedging our bet. If it does take us out at break-even and decides just to keep on running along, then we've protected ourselves. And this is how it went today. I don't think it did take us out, but we'll be ready just in case. And we can speed this up because, well, I don't want to speed up quite yet. All right, it did take us out. We just put another order on. It's exactly what I'm talking about. We just protected ourselves from a run going in the opposite direction. So we'll go ahead and put this where it belongs and then wait for our first target to be hit again. And we'll de-risk the trade again. Now, we did, all of our contracts are set, so we can speed this up a little bit. Okay, this is 4 times speed now. Market was pretty feisty today anyway. Now you see when it hits the first target again, it'll de-risk our stop from all the way up here to a minus 19, a break-even position. Let's see if there it is. There it goes. Now it's starting to get a little move on. Hit our 50 tick target and didn't quite pay yet. Boom, there it goes. Now, first 2 targets are out. Even if it comes back and hits my stop now, it'll be a positive trade, and boom, that was it. That trade took about 4 minutes to complete and was worth 935 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 935 US dollars in 4 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you next time. So God bless and we'll see you then.